everyone, it's Gina from OrchidandOpal.com, and today I'm back to share one of BeadingSchool's new Fuchsia special deal boxes. Now, if you haven't seen these little pink boxes before, these are something that BeadingSchool puts together periodically, and you can think of it as a great way to sample different types of products, especially in a single product line like the Preciosa half-drilled pearls that we're about to look at today. And with this box in particular, you can get a selection of both the 4mm and the 6mm Preciosa nacre half-drilled pearls, which will provide you with a lot of items to play with in one easy shot with a collection of some of their most popular colors. So until Tuesday, the 25th of October this year, of course, you can pick up this special deal box for just 39 euros with some special gifts, which are a pair of stud earrings for the 4mm and also a pair of stud earrings for the 6mm size half-drilled pearls in either gold or silver, and also a free downloadable pattern for the GALATEA earrings or component, which is a beautiful design by Erika, and I'm flashing that right now on the screen so you can take a look at that, which for the tutorial is a 10 euro value. So it's a really great deal. If you were to pick up each of these things separately, you'd be paying about 89 euros for everything in total. I'll leave the links right down below the video to take you directly to this special deal on their website. And I'll also leave you a link for the Preciosa half-drilled pearl section on their website. They're also running a sale right now for a limited time on these products. So if there's anything you want to get outside of the special deals box or just purchase some things separately, now's the time to do it. I've got a couple examples of pieces that I've made, including the half-drilled pearls. This is a pendant that I whipped up based on the materials from the latest BeadingSchool Academy subscription box, which I also highly recommend. The theme for that box was flowers in your hair and was full of a range of beautiful bold colors, golden components, and had this beautiful draping floral metallic piece that had a spot where you could include a half-drilled pearl. So I chose a purple one actually from the box we're about to see. And they did include a tassel in that subscription box. I did have to use one from my own stash because I was using the longer one for something else. But you could definitely do something similar with the contents of that box if you have it. And then next are a pair of earrings that I put together. You can see those half-drilled pearls at the top on those post-stud earring findings, which are similar to ones that you would get as a free gift. And the beads for these earrings came from the previous BeadingSchool Academy box with the Thetis's Treasure theme, and I'll be coming back in the near future to do a tutorial for these earrings. So these are two examples just to get you thinking, and I also have a couple of other pictures that I'm going to put on the screen sharing some things that Erika has put together that incorporate the materials we're about to see. It's a great way to dress up some of these metallic components, and especially a way to color coordinate them with the other pieces of beadwork that you're making. You can really customize your posts and coordinate them to your specific project with these pearls. And they have the wonderful quality that we expect from Preciosa. But with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside of our Fuchsia special deal box. All right, so on top, these are the two gifts, the post earring findings that I had mentioned before. So you're going to get a pair for the 6mm and a pair for the 4mm size. Now the way these work is you can see that there is that little post sticking up on the front of the earring finding. That's where you will attach your half-drilled pearl, and you won't be able to see the hole on the other side, of course. And you just use a simple dab of glue like GS Hypo Cement or E6000. You can even use probably some tacky glue, something that will adhere the pearl material to the metallic component, and dry clear is what you want. And that post just helps to hold them in place, especially while they're drying. And the remainder of the box contains all of the little baggies of pearls that we're about to see, 10 colors in each of the two sizes. I'm going to start by showing you the 6mm in this box, and then I'll follow up with the 4mm so you can take a look at everything up close. And just be aware that the colors may vary just slightly from box to box, but you can be sure that you'll get a wide range of colors and it will be a fun surprise. So here's the lineup of everything that came in that box. I know I've said it before, but it's always amazing how much they're able to pack in these little boxes. So I wanted to show you all the bags outside of the box to give you a peek at everything very neatly wrapped up and just how much you're getting inside. Now, like I said, let's take a look at everything up close. These are the 6mm ceramic gray color. Very smooth, opaque, medium gray, and you can see if you turn these slightly that that is where the hole is located on one side, but not on the other side, of course. Here are 3 other examples. The dark gray is all the way on the left, followed by the light burgundy, and one is missing because I used that in that tassel component. And then on the right, we have the lavender color. And now you can see on the left is the bronze color. In the middle is pearlescent red. And then all the way on the right is the cranberry color. So you're getting these mixes of the smooth and shiny opaque colors and also some of these more pearlescent colors. And then up next, you're looking at the pearlescent violet and then the peacock green in the center, followed by the dark blue on the right. And next we're going to look at the smaller 4mm size. Same thing with these, just smaller, and in my hand I have the ceramic gray on the right and the dark gray on the left, which is more of that pearlescent color compared to the opaque lighter gray. And next you can see on the left the light burgundy, and then on the right is the dark blue. Next we have the pearlescent light pink, and then we have the cranberry. And then 2 of our more classic neutral pearl colors, we have the pearlescent white on the left and light cream rose on the right. And then the final 2 colors, very similar, but the different finishes. We have the pearlescent green that's on the left, and then the color sage on the right. So that wraps it up for this video. I want to thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget this special deal with the additional free gifts, the ear studs and the downloadable tutorial, are available for a limited time through Tuesday the 25th at 5 p.m. Central European Time. BeadingSchool ships worldwide, of course, so don't worry about that. If you use a different form of currency, it's very simple to check out on their website. The amount will convert to whatever currency that you use. And if you are a subscriber to their bi-monthly BeadingSchool Academy subscription box, you can choose to add on anything from their shop, such as the special deal that we just looked at, for no additional shipping cost. I hope you'll stay tuned for the future tutorial that I will share to show you how to make these beaded earrings. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also feel free to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about BeadingSchool or this collection of products or anything else you'd like to say. And be sure to check out the other special deal box videos that I have posted previously, featuring other great deals that you can still get at BeadingSchool. Other than that, I hope you get to enjoy some of your beading time this weekend. I'll see you all again real soon. And until next time, I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. And as always, happy beading.